Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Rachel and I do Stitch Fix unboxing and reviews. I've been doing this for a while now. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I will put a explanation down below. I feel like a lot of people who watch these videos already know what Stitch Fix is, and that's why they're watching, to see what other people get. I know that's why I watch. So yeah, let's get into it. This time I asked for, what did I ask for? I asked for casual kind of summer dresses I can just like throw on when I get home from work, because it's super hot. For instance, I have my window air unit going right now, so if you hear that in the background, I'm sorry, but it's a necessity. So I asked for that, and then I asked to try a romper again. She sent me a couple rompers a few times ago. Yeah, I don't know if I ever videoed those rompers. Anyway, so let's get into it. Here's my bundle. Look how beautiful. I already took it out of the box. Oh, pushed a button. I already took it out of the box. Box is right there. Hey. Beautiful bundle. Very soft. Everything is always super soft. Let me reposition my camera. So, let's read my note first, and then we'll open up the bundle. Again, as always, I peeked at what they were sending me because I have a problem with waiting. Yeah. Happy Fix Day, Rachel, and welcome to your 17th Fix. I am loving watching your YouTube videos. Thank you. They make me so happy and laugh the whole time. Anyway, now that summer is officially here, let's make like the ocean and wave hello to the sunshine and warm air. Since you're on the hunt for casual summer dresses, I started you off with one by Fortune and Ivy, parentheses, the gray one. That means she sent me 2 Fortune and Ivies. This is a shift dress, so it won't be super figure flattering, but will be great for days spent lounging around at a family cookout, which is good because in the summer I don't want it like hugging my figure. I want it to flow, so we don't need extra stickiness. On the flip side, I sent a flattering high-low maxi dress in teal green by Fortune and Ivy. This will be so stunning on you and great for any occasion. Throw on strappy sandals and sparkly earrings for grabbing dinner. I also sent a few rompers for you to try. Can't wait to see your next video. XO, Allie. P.S. I'm on the lookout for the perfect white denim for you. Last video I mentioned I don't have any white denim, and I know that's very in right now. So that's awesome. I love Allie. She's my stylist. And there's a little style card there with the different items. Little sneak peek. Alright. A little tear into it. Okay, so first one. It's gray with kind of like peachy flowers on there. This is one of the Fortune and Ivies. If I can find the tag. Fortune and Ivy Sabria knit dress in large, color gray. See if we can get that color there. So that's really soft. Excited for that. I'm trying to get quicker at this. Stitch Fix exclusive. This is one of the rompers. And this is the French Gray Camila button detail knit romper in black, which is super cute. I hope this fits because it's kind of like a cute safari print. Black with like the orange and green leaves and flowers. Well, no flowers, just leaves. Got the cinched waist. No pockets, but super soft still. This one's so pretty. Okay, this is another romper. It's really kind of like a heavy material, which is, it's good, which means it's a substantial kind of material, but this is the Market & Spruce Fraya knit romper in cobalt. I love the color cobalt. That was kind of like the color of like my wedding. The bridesmaids dresses were kind of that color. Really cute 3/4 length sleeve romper. Let's see. It's got a crisscross detail right there. Also has a cinched waist, and then it has a tie. So, oh my god, it has pockets too. So this is going to be expensive. I'm just saying right now. But so cute. We'll see what that's. My lighting went weird for a second. We'll see what that looks like on. This is super soft. Sorry if my lighting's super weird and I have to fluff my hair. I'm sorry. We'll get that back. The lighting sucks. Oh wow. So the next one is that other Fortune and Ivy she was talking about in that teal color. And it is the Irene Faux Wrap Brushed Knit Maxi Dress. Super pretty. I think I might have this one pinned. It's got that, like she said, faux wrap there. And then the high-low hem has like purple flowers, yellow, let's see if you can see that, green with that teal background. So that's gonna be really hopefully cute too. All right, and the last one is also a maxi dress in a navy. Exclusive. You know how I like to whisper exclusive. Ooh, it's kind of see-through. I don't know if you can see, but that top's a little bit see-through there, which will be interesting. But it's got like that lace top, if you can tell the lace, with that navy bottom. That's pretty. It's probably expensive too because it's got the lace. Kinsley lace knit maxi dress in navy by French Gray. No pockets. All right, so we will get to trying those on. Here we go. So here is the maxi dress. I'm sorry for the poor lighting in this video. I'm trying to get these done so I can send them back. Let's step back a little bit. This is pretty. I think it's more of a fancier dress than I was looking for. You can see the lace detail. It has a nice, you know, it goes in there kind of. I think it's that Empire waistline. Focus. Yeah, just not what I'm looking for this time, but it is really pretty. This bottom is really soft. It's got kind of a straight back there, so you can mostly wear a regular bra with it. It's not like a racer back or anything. Pretty color. I like the navy. Just not for me this time. So here is one of the Fortune & Ivy in that teal. It's very pretty. However, I think that might be a little bit too much there. It's really pretty. I really love the teal color. I don't want to focus on that part of my body. It's got the tie there. It's got that faux wrap. The pretty purple flowers. And it's just a little snug through here. And I'm sure if I got an extra large, that would, you know, kind of fix that. It's got that high-low hem. Super soft. I love like the fluttery sleeves as well. I think that's really pretty. I don't know. It's very soft, very pretty. Might be a little too much. I don't know. Well, shoot, you guys. This one's really cute. It has the pockets there. It's a really, really, really great length on the shorts. And I like how it has the different different pattern there to kind of define the shorts so it doesn't just look all one. This part, it has the crisscross right there. It's kind of like a loose crisscross though. Like there's a lot of room there, so I don't know what to do with that. I guess I could tuck it in. I don't know. Yeah, I guess that's not bad. I don't know about the longer sleeves for the summer though. I kind of pulled it. Yeah, it's on me. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but on me it's a full length sleeve. So I know for summer it would be super hot. But it's really cute, and I like that different pattern there to go with the bottoms. I don't know, what do you guys think? I know this is probably going to be expensive because, like I said, it's a really kind of heavier material. But it's really cute. I don't know. We'll try on the other romper and see, because that one has the sleeveless. I couldn't think of the word. Oh, but I love the colors on this. Allie, if you watch this, I love these colors together. Love it. Alright, so here is the sleeveless romper in large. I think I would go up an extra large in this just for the stomach area. But then if I get an extra large, the armholes will be too big. So it's kind of one of those in-between size kind of things. It has the cute button detail there. I didn't see that before. Button, button, button. Has that same style button in the back to close it up. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's got that little keyhole in the back. These are also a pretty good length. I think the other ones went down maybe just a little bit more. When I walk, they'll probably ride up a little bit. I also really like this pattern. I think it's cute and whimsical, but I just think maybe if it had pockets, it would have that extra material here to kind of flow away from the midsection, but otherwise it's cute, but I don't think so this time. Oh well. Well, this is the last one. It's another one of the French grays, the more of a swing. And this one, I feel like it's too short for me. I don't know. It passes the, you know, finger length test, but I just feel like it's too short for me. I do like the pattern and the color. I think that's really nice with the gray and like the peachy kind of mauve tones there. But, oh, it's too short, I think. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it too short? I think so. Look at that. I think it's too short. Anyway, let's recap through the prices. We'll see how much that one romper was that I liked. We'll check it out. Alright friends, let's see. So we'll go over the price sheet. So the Fortune and Ivy's, oh I'm sorry, it's Sabria, not Sabrina like I said before. The Fortune and Ivy Sabria knit dress in gray is $40. It's the one I think is a little too short. I loved everything in theory, but just not in love with anything in particular. The French gray Kinsley lace knit maxi dress in navy was $58. Not keeping that this time. French gray Camila button detail knit romper in black, $48. That was the one with like the leaves and everything. The Market and Spruce Fraya knit romper in cobalt was $68. I told you it was going to be a little bit more pricier. And then the Fortune and Ivy Irene faux wrapped brushed blah blah blah, it cut off, in teal green was $54. So it would be $268 if I bought everything, $67 off that, so $201 for the whole box. I don't know if I'm gonna keep anything this box. I really believe you shouldn't keep stuff unless you really love it or if it's gonna get you a good deal, you know? And since I'm not keeping everything, it's not gonna give me a good deal, so I don't know. I gotta think on it. Otherwise, you know, it's free shipping there and back. I can always schedule another one. I have the style pass, so you know, it's not costing me anything if I send everything back. But here is a little closer look at the style card, in case anyone wanted to know or request them. Can't see. Hey. So yeah. So I don't know if I'm keeping anything this time. But thank you guys so much for watching. I've really been enjoying making these videos. I hope everyone's having a really good summer so far. I think I'm going to try to schedule another one pretty quickly since I didn't keep anything this time. Or I don't think I'm going to keep anything. We'll see. But I don't think I'm going to. Sorry, Allie. I really liked everything in theory. I loved all the colors. Everything was beautiful. Just like fit / I don't know, price. That one romper was just a little too pricey, but and with the long sleeves. I think if it had short sleeves, I would love it and keep it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I do these every like 2 weeks or so. So check out my previous videos, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.